So hello English learners, hope you all are fine, and every day we are learning one lesson and we are practicing every single day from this book, Mass Spoken English book from Kamlesh sir. And today we are practicing the 13th chapter, I think, modals verb we are learning. Yes, 13th chapter, modal verbs. So every day we are learning one modals. Just we are able to see the definition, then how we are going to use this modals, and some practice. Okay, so let's see. May, today we are going to learn about the may modal verbs. Okay, so may, this is also a one kind of modals. This means like सकता है, मैं सकता हूं. ठीक है, so may means सकता हूं का प्रयोग हम करते हैं. So there are three things where we are going to use this modals like may. So first is possibility, second is request, and third is blessings. First we are using possibility, like if there is something which is possible, so we are going to use may. Okay, may for possibility. Like शायद वो अंग्रेजी सीख सकता है. He may learn English. He may learn English. If I use may, it means possibility. Possibility. There are possibility he can learn. He may learn English. वो English सीख सकता है. मतलब नहीं भी सीख सकता है और सीख भी सकता है. मतलब possibility है. There are some possibilities to learn English. He may learn English. So if there are some possibilities, like my friend may come today. वो मेरा दोस्त आज आ सकता है, लेकिन पता नहीं है, पॉसिबिलिटी है, वो आ सकता है. आई मे मीट हिम, मैं उससे आज मिल सकता हूं. मे मीट, इट मीन्स देयर इज नॉट एनी अश्योरिटी. अश्योर नहीं है, मैं मिल भी सकता हूं, नहीं भी मिल सकता हूं. सो इसी तरह से ही मे लर्न इंग्लिश, शायद वो इंग्लिश सीख सकता है. वो आज घर पर आ सकता है. ही मे कम एट होम, वो घर पर आ सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी, देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटी. He may come at home, वो घर पे आ सकता है. ठीक है, so first we are using in three scenarios. First possibility के लिए may का यूज करते हैं. Second polite permission के लिए. Polite permission we know and we are using a lot for polite permission in the school. Like may I come in, ma'am? May I go to toilet? So we just use lots of time this word in request or politeness, permission, polite permission. Okay, so like क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूं सर? May I come in sir? May I come in sir? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूं? क्या मैं आपका फोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूं? May I use your phone? क्या मैं आपका फोन यूज कर सकता हूं? May I use your phone? So this is about the polite permission, where we are just seeking the permission. Okay, polite permission. And the third scenario, where for blessings. Okay, we are using may for blessings. Like we say like may God bless you. May God bless you. ईश्वर तुम्हारी रक्षा करे. Okay, may God bless you. और तुम हमेशा खुश रहो. May you be blessed, always happy. May you be always happy. तुम हमेशा खुश रहो. So we use may. May means सकता हूं. May means सकता हूं. We can use may in three scenarios. First, possibility. If there are some possibility, we use may. He may come at home today. वो आज घर पे आ सकता है. May. And we use polite permission. May I come in sir? क्या मैं आ सकता हूं? If you are in a company and you want some request, or you are going to just ask the request, so you are going to knock the door and you are going to ask, may I come in sir? May I sit there? Okay, so and the third, blessings. May God bless you. May God bless you, we also say. So first we just see what is the meaning of may. This is a modal verbs, and in three scenarios we use may. And let's see the structure, how to make the sentences. So if you have to make the sentence using may, In simple sentence, you have to use subject, then may, then V1, then object. Like शिक्षक आज जा सकते हैं. So teachers may come today. शिक्षक आज जा सकते हैं, ठीक है, आज आ सकते हैं. टीचर may come today. टीचर आज आ सकते हैं. शिक्षक आज नहीं आ सकते. Teacher may not come today. So what we have to do? We have to just use not. Teacher may not come today. आज, क्या आज शिक्षक आ सकते हैं? May teacher come today. May teacher come today. क्या आज शिक्षक नहीं आ सकते हैं? May teacher not come today. May teacher not come today. क्या शिक्षक आज शिक्षक कैसे आ सकते हैं? How may teacher come today? How may teacher come today? आज शिक्षक कैसे आ सकते हैं? So just we make 5 sentences to understand how we are going to make more sentences. First, just we have to see the structure. How we are making the sentences in simple sentence, in negative, in interrogative, negative, and WH words. Okay. So शिक्षक like आप इस किताब को पढ़ सकते हैं. You may read this book. आप इस किताब को पढ़ सकते हैं. You may read this book. आप इस किताब को पढ़ सकते हैं. क्या मैं खाना खा सकता हूं? May I eat food? If I am asking or I am taking the polite permission, so I am going to say like क्या मैं खाना खा सकता हूं? May I eat food? क्या मैं खाना खा सकता हूं? हमें देर हो सकती है. We may be late. We may be late. हमें देर हो सकती है. पापा आज आ सकते हैं. Father may come today. Father may come today. पापा आज आ सकते हैं. क्या मैं आपका मोबाइल प्रयोग कर सकता हूं? May I use your cell phone? May I use your mobile phone? यूज कर सकता हूं. शायद हम इसे नहीं ढूंढ सकते हैं. We may not find it. We may not find it. So like this, there are 30 sentences which we have to make. Okay, and we can just know about the may. May सकता हूं. may सकता हूं. ठीक है. So tomorrow we are going to learn about the must. Okay, like this we are learning may and must, and used to, like this we are going to learn every structure. Okay, so thanks for today, and keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better in your life. So thanks for today.